Hey everyone, do you want to build a website but don't know how to code? Not a problem. With AI, you can create a fully functional website in just 60 seconds. Now, why is this so innovative? AI-powered website builders take away all the complexity, making it effortless for anyone to build professional sites. So what will we cover today? From selecting the right AI tool to customizing and publishing your site, I'll guide you through every step. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech content. First up, let's talk about selecting the right AI website builder. Some popular options include Wix ADI, Durable AI, Hostinger AI Website Builder, Framer AI, and 10Web. When choosing, consider factors like ease of use, design flexibility, SEO and performance optimization, and pricing and scalability options. Alright, let's get started on creating a website in 60 seconds. Step 1. Sign up and use the AI Builder. Visit the AI Builder's website and set up an account. Many tools offer free trials, so no cash needed up front. Step 2. Answer a few questions. The AI will ask about your website type, whether it's for a business, portfolio, blog, you name it. Provide a business name or let the AI propose one for you. Choose your design preferences and styles. Step 3. The AI creates your website automatically. It selects layouts, fonts, and color palettes based on your input, and within seconds you'll have a fully working website. Next, let's customize that AI-generated site. Edit the content and layout. Modify text, images, and branding elements. You can even use AI to generate headlines and descriptions. Adding pages and sections is a breeze. Think home, about services, and contact pages. The AI recommends layouts based on industry trends. Need extra features? Integrate contact forms, booking systems, and chatbots? The AI will suggest the best plugins for your needs. Now let's optimize your site for SEO and performance. AI-powered tools can automate meta descriptions and keywords, optimize images for faster loading, and ensure a smooth mobile experience. Plus, they'll recommend speed and security enhancements. Finally, let's publish and manage your website. Choose a domain name, whether free subdomains or custom domains. Connect it to your site and preview everything before hitting that publish button. Once you do, your site is live. Maintaining your AI website is also easy. These tools can automatically update content and suggest improvements over time. To recap, select your AI builder, create your site, customize it, optimize for SEO, and hit publish. What kind of website do you want to create? Comment below. Thanks for watching, and start your website today with AI. It's easier than ever.